All right, here we have our first solution ready to go. So Bob has poured some of the solution number 1, calcium hydroxide analytical grade, into a beaker to avoid contaminating the primary stock solution. So now let's follow along with the Prac methods. So let's look at step number 1, pipette a 20 ml aliquot of the calcium hydroxide solution into 3 clean, dry 100 ml Erlenmeyer flasks, which are already set up for you here.
So firstly, what we have to do is actually attach the 1 mark transfer pipette into the pipette filler. And what I like to do is keep both my hands close to one another, and therefore with a reasonable force, but not too much force, actually insert or push the 1 mark transfer pipette, also known as a bulb pipette, into the pipette filler. And then what I do is I actually rinse the pipette with the solution that I'm actually going to be using to aliquot from. And this has already been done. So now all I'm doing is using this pipette filler, using the dial on the side here as shown. I'm actually sucking up that solution. Now you can see I draw up that solution rather than sucking, I should be saying drawing that solution up to the mark here. And then what I do is then I take the pipette and using this lever, I push this lever, and now the solution is actually coming out of the pipette and leaving the pipette and going into the Erlenmeyer flask. So I'm dispensing the solution. And actually we'll repeat this another 2 times in order to have 3 reps or triplicates of this analytical grade calcium hydroxide solution.